Guys, if you're stuck on this window here and you're pressing buttons on this window that says press any button to start and nothing's working, that's how you can fix it. So first, what I suggest you to do here is to press Windows key here and then go to sound mixer options, and for some people it was a output device. If you're using Steel Series, the issue occurred basically because it was output device was set to Steel Series chat but not Steel Series game or something like that. So make sure it's not Steel Series chat and then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, if you're using controllers or other third-party devices like, I don't know, steering wheels or whatsoever, try to disable them all and look if the problem persists or not. Another thing, it can be your Epic Games launcher. So completely close Epic Games launcher from your system tray as well here, and then try to launch Epic Games through admin. Run as admin and then look if the problem persists or not and if you're getting splash screen or not. Another thing, it can be third-party antivirus softwares or third-party controller softwares like Malwarebytes, Avast, McAfee, DS4, Windows, I believe, for controllers or other controller things here. Try to disable them all and then look if you're still getting this error or not. Other thing can be your cache files. So go to File Library, then go to a Documents, then go to My Games, then go to Rocket League, then go to DA Game, then you should see cache folder. Right click on it and delete it. Of course, Epic Games and Rocket League should be completely closed before you're doing this, and then restart your computer and look if the problem persists. And that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.